Struggling with fragmented systems, scattered spreadsheets, and manual data slog? Enter Newton ERP, Nippon Data's flagship, all-in-one platform that unites finance, manufacturing, sales and distribution, and customer service under one roof. It's more than ERP. From real-time financials and purchase management to inventory tracking, BOM, and production planning, Newton ERP covers it all. Built-in modules for manufacturing, shop floor control, quality, and maintenance. Auto-integrated and industry-specific help you do more with less. Newton scales with you, whether you're a small operation or a multi-division enterprise, and it deploys fast, is affordable, and delivers real ROI without straining your team. Access it anywhere. Strong security and multi-division support let you grow confidently. Bring your business together, boost visibility, cut complexity, and move faster. Live your enterprise potential. Book a free Newton ERP demo today.